maybe our research specifically might be in our own self sometime. Maybe our research might be in our thought only. Now it is time it should come under actions. It should come under wider platforms so that it benefits societies at this critical time. And many a times this should not be an opportunity to actually take advantage of building your economy. It is a time to actually build the economy of a nation. So we need to capitalize now more on our knowledge, capitalize more on our skills, capitalize more on our experiences, which are our biggest potential to unlock our potential of research on current situations and then serve to our societies, and keeping in mind our uh, intellectual property right. Many a time we fail to do a research. Many a times researchers are not motivated. I don't know why, because many a times researchers are being, no, the budding researchers are being expressed that research is a complex process. So that is why in my talk, most of the time, I don't make research is a very complex process. Research is a very simple process. Once, if in my talk I start talking about methodologies and then methods and all those type of things and then analytical tools, then I think I will undermine the budding researchers. So I take research to give that gist of unlocking our research potential, not for the expert who are already into research. That research is just a simple things which can be seen from two paradigms. One is as an academic research, one is as a professional research. So in this current COVID-19 impact situations, that means academic can also contribute and professional can also contribute. So everybody, every one of us can contribute in research. So whether we want to do a scholar research or whether we want to do applied research, that serve, and then mixing of these two is quite important. And that is quite vital. I think now we should revive, see these things of integrating this academic research and then professional research, academics and then other professionals coming together and solving the common problems that today every nation is facing. Maybe the situation that Bhutan is facing might be different than the situations India is facing, might be different than the situation US is facing. Like if you try to see from today, in my cases, we have started receiving students. So from 1st July, we'll go face-to-face teaching of our final year student. We are going for a face-to-face teaching. And there are situations in some other countries like, that face-to-face teachings or all those academic part has been completely stopped for 2020. So that is why each country has its own situations. In our case, specifically for final year, we have called them. My student has started reaching today to a campus. I'm busy here, otherwise I would have been there to receive my student. And from uh, uh, 1st of July, we'll make a new beginning. So that is why, new normal, that is what we term it. We are trying to live on new normal. So that is something I think we need to see at our own level. And then we talk a lot about research, but where is our research going? We talk lot of time about innovations. Where is our innovations going? This is the biggest questions we should ask in each one of us, where it has gone. So maybe very difficult. Others are not able to explore what we have done. It has not come out except myself and my supervisor probably for completing my thesis or so and so forth. So one thing, our research and innovations work can be patented, and we need to think about this in terms of patent. And when you talk about a patent, then it comes to a public domain, because it once we apply for patent and once it is accepted, then it gives us that exclusive right that I can hold for my patent. That is something important. It is my creations, my work, and then I hold that exclusive right for either some products or a process that I have developed through my research. Now COVID-19 has given us a situations to come up with the different products to support the cause of this current situations, or a process, or technical solutions through our research findings. And that is why it has given that platform. We need to think about patenting our things, but always we should keep it in mind that it is our thing, our noble it should be noble. And then if you try to see that why it is important to patent and innovations or inventions, I have already said that now for making a new beginning or new normal, we need to be innovative. We need to invent something. When I talk about inventions, nothing to discover a new rocket science, which I was sharing earlier. Add values on what is existing for a new beginning, new normal. So this is something. So it is a source of recognitions for inventions. Like many a times, especially that is why the record, the research carried out by World Intellectual Property Organizations (WIPO) has critically reflected that that though there might be the inventions done by the researchers in these developing countries, but our inventions might have been patented by somebody, and they are holding that exclusive right. We are really lagging in this. So incentives to develop a commercial products, so which serve the societies at the larger interest of our societies. Licensing for organizations, existing company to growth, even create a platform for new startup, and protections against imitators. This is growing everywhere in terms of research, in terms of innovations, in terms of products, in terms of service industries. These imitators are growing. That is why our survival has become a bigger question. So I think pattern is something which we need to think critically, that actually holds and basically we should know that what it must be. When you talk about this, I am talking in terms of our intellectual property right document, but this is common for all. Like it should be noble, it should be useful for somebody's, and it should be non-obvious. Like 1 + 1 is 2, it is obvious, so that cannot be patented now. So something noble, something's useful to our societies, like ideas, laws of nature, and scientific principle. These are some things which we will not get exclusive for patenting. So you need to think, and each country has their own intellectual properties right organizations office, and they have their own laws, IP laws. It is better to refer an exclusive right. Usually, in terms of patent, they usually give it for 20 years. And after 20 years, it is open for everybody to actually use that patent, your innovations. So like if you try to see, these are the two things which is common, you will sense in a patent, like utility patent and then design patents. So utility more to do with the functionalities, whereas design more to do with ornamental or aesthetic parts. So if you try to see from our own mobile gadget, all those apps and all those things are utility patents, and the cover, and then if you specifically see these Apple buttons and all, this is for a design pattern. So we can actually pattern it, but we need to keep on 20-year exclusive right is given, but we need to keep on paying the annual fee. So it depends upon country to country. So utility is more to do with functions, and design pattern is more to do with aesthetic part. And there is also this plant patents and all, they protect this plant right for different countries or different origins. This is also there. And now patent search is something quite crucial. Many a time we have not explored. We do something and then we think that it is our creations, but sometimes this is somebody's work they might have already done. So patent search is important. There are a lot of platforms through which you can do a patent search, but there are a lot of paid platform also. But easiest one is explore world intellectual properties organizations patent search, patent scope specifically, to see the patents. And then there you find that what is the design use, exactly everything. And on that you can add values and then something, and then make your own pattern. You can take somebody's patents and then rediscovers additional functionalities or additional scopes, and then create your innovations products. Then second thing is obviously in research, it is important our industrial design. And that is basically when you try to talk about the products, then we talk about looks, feel, and then functions. And then we talk about the aesthetic aspects. We talk about its appeal to our rational and emotional sides. So these are some things which is important for industrial design. So this is also one important part. Now suppose you are trying to do a research in the areas of products industries, then this is something quite crucial